Come test drive the 2018 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, fog lights, battery saver, braking assist, power brakes, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display, retained accessory power. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.